Hi, my name is Whitney Frank, and I'm the Director of Training here at Emsi. Today I'm going to be walking you through Emsi's business data. Business data can be found in your home screen in these two reports, the business table and the business map. We're excited to share this data set with you, but this is a third-party source. This data comes from databaseusa.com, and Emsi does not warrant its accuracy or guarantee that it will be consistent. We ask that you keep that in mind as you're using these two reports. That being said, these reports are effective for understanding which businesses are in your region. Let's click on the business table and I'll show you how to run this report. You can choose to select an industry and then you run it for a particular region. This report is compatible down to the zip code level, so you could specify using drive time or radius from address to create a custom region, or you simply type in your region. Today I'll be looking at Spokane in Washington. You could then choose to display these pre-made groups of data, but I'm actually going to go ahead and just click on Run because we can always edit this once we're inside the report. Now that the report is generated, you can see here a list of businesses provided by databaseusa.com. There are 21,000 businesses in the Spokane area. Before we jump into the data, I'd like to customize my report. You can add or remove data by clicking on this button here, the Add or Remove Columns button. I always like to begin with this step when I'm working in any Emsi table. Once we click on this, a pop-up called Custom Data Selection allows us to look at all of the available insights we could add to our report. You could see insights like size range, contact information, and general information about those businesses. Today, we're going to be looking at the NAICS code, industry number, the physical zip code, and other data points that I have chosen because I believe they will be helpful to you. I click on Select, which will add those data points to my table. And then you can see here the list of businesses within the Spokane area provided by Database USA, and all of the data points or insights that we chose to add to our table. Website, years in business, last updated date, etc. If you would like to specify this, a great way to focus your report is by using an industry. You could simply type in an industry here, or you can explore all your options by clicking on Advanced and then choosing to browse. This can also be done right from the beginning of the report. I've added in manufacturing, which has now focused this report in on the manufacturing industry in Spokane. Here's a list of businesses in Spokane that fall within the manufacturing category. Like all of the other Emsi reports, you can export this by using your export button in the upper right-hand corner of your report. And this report is compatible with Excel or CSV. The business map functions very similarly to the business table. The main difference is that you will need to use an industry right from the beginning. You specify your region in the same way, and then we can run the report. The second difference with the business map is that you'll see here a map right from the beginning, which will show you where those businesses are located across that Spokane MSA. You can customize the data set or what you're looking at here in this report by clicking on Add or Remove Columns. And you can also export this report or save it as a project. Hopefully this has been a helpful overview. We do ask that you keep in mind that this is not an Emsi qualified data source, but we do hope that it will be helpful to you in your business. As always, feel free to reach out to the Emsi team if you have any questions.